faithful rice grain cutting and so.
That is a video by Super Ribian that's been making the rounds on social media. I must admit I didn't see that one.
I saw the women, mother, Caribbean mother.
He was actually making a Caribbean woman.
Oh, I saw the mother.
Okay, well, he's done it there. True or no true? Thoughts?
No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Men are faithful to who they choose to be faithful to.
Even if that is themselves?
Well, I don't think they don't have the capacity to be faithful, but they will choose who to be faithful to.
All right.
Coulson and Seymour.
Just cut the comment. Why must you always encourage things that you know you are not? All right. So apparently now it's our turn to cook up the ideal man.
Yeah.
This is going to be interesting.
Yeah.
And these ingredients are very unique. I'm not sure about these ingredients, but these are the ingredients that we have to choose from to make our most delicious partner.
Yes. So, here are the ingredients. We will show with them because we can't
Benji, what this one say? Good looking, good dancer, makes good wigs, tells great jokes, loves KFC, rich,
athletic, generous with money. So we're to make them all together. All right. Generous with money. I wonder if no more left in there.
You don't even know.
No more left in there.
Wait. Harris. Look what Harris leaving here for me.
Yes. Tells great jokes. Well, great is there, because if it was tells jokes, mother dash the ball. Because some people tell joke and they're not funny. But if not tell me great joke, me can grab Johnny Live comedy thing and
also you have enough jokes for everybody.
This said what?
I like a
makes
I was
good
going to say I
wigs.
like a funny man, but I know Jamaicans. But yes, I do like a funny man. A man with a sense of humor is very attractive.
Yes.
So I'm going to put in a little. Do you notice I took up all of the KFC?
Where's the KFC?
It's all over here.
No, yeah, you can't get the KFC.
So the entire bowl.
You can't get the KFC. Makes good wigs. Why? Why?
Okay.
No, I'm generous with him money. I'm not for make a wig.
But suppose he makes nice wigs. And
No,
you don't have to go, so we'll go buy none. You want to go buy your own?
Next time I'm going to make it and tell me what I'm for wear. Good dancer, yes. Yeah, man. So date man can dance and everywhere we go, him want dance.
What did you do?
You know, me need to hurt me. I said, make we sit out that song. I'm going to go up on the next song. I remember say can't dance with me. When he dance, everybody look at me, you know. Like everybody was like, what's going on over there? And him thinking can dance.
Call a medic. Call a medic. Spastic. So you want a dancer.
Good dancer.
What about
good looking?
It would be nice. It's not absolutely necessary. So I'll put a sprinkling in there.
I'm not sure when you're good looking.
Is subjective, right?
Yeah, I'm not
so
sure when
somebody who look good to me can look so good to Dahlia.
Yeah, so, I'm gonna tell you something about good looking man. Some of them have attitude and I can't manage attitude. Man. Like call them good looking and people tell them feel them to behave a certain way.
My meal is very
good looking. I mean me and the man not fight over no mirror. And we're going to fight to no. Me not win.
No, I know.
And you put on your pants and you call me to help you put on the pants and all them something. No. I'm not.
There are men like that in Jamaica.
Yeah, so good looking. Yeah, it's good.
I mean, yes, you're good looking, bad, but come now. Vanity is a sin. You know what I mean? Why have vanity? Why have the looks? Not to keep looking at yourself.
I don't mind athletic.
You know what you look like?
I don't mind athletic. Come with a life for no safe teeth all the way up. Me can't say, honey, teeth.
No, he's gonna run left.
No, not run left me. Me never say him run fast. Athletic mean you well built and you. When you walk, somebody say me not gonna rob them two people. You know, cause man
not gonna run left you. Put on
no. Me never say me's a runner.
I must listen. Girl talk. Let me just listen
hold
to your friend.
On. Prince looks athletic. Prince cannot run.
Do you know this?
You must see Prince. Look, you never see a Prince walk?
I've never. If it depends on what he's running. It depends on what he's running after.
Prince can run, but if somebody
he's running after the right thing, you will run fast.
That man, they look strong, you know. So athletic, not bad.
This is my food. I just want a man who loves KFC. who's humorous. See a sprinkling of humorosity in the rice. And then who's, you know, not hard to look at, not hard on the eyes.
See it there?
What a tantalizing looking meal.
Yeah.
This is certainly going to make you choke and dead, for sure.
Yeah.
So maybe this is not a good man mixture for true. I'm going to put this away. Harris, let me see your mixture.
My mixture.
Yes, is a
generous with the money. That means we can buy one KFC. We can buy after KFC.
A franchise.
Franchise. With him
no, hold on. Generous with his money may not mean he has a lot of it. So he may be able to buy a meal deal every day, but he's not going to be able to buy a franchise.
Me work with that.
All right. Just as long as you qualify.
That's why you know look on the rich part.
As long as you qualify.
Because you can reach a mean, you know.
Yeah, and then you see this and this. What this one say?
Good dance.
You see the rich and good looking?
Good looking over there.
Jesus, you see that combination here?
No. That combination there, yeah.
Properly.
You have to be an Avenger because Thanos is great.
Go on.
Okay, so yeah, generous.
Yeah.
Little bit of good looking, me not mind it, but not too much.
What is the bean?
The bean was good dancer, sprinkling.
But just a little bit.
Oh yeah, come on, I forgot the way you can at least rock from side to side.
On the beat.
On the beat.
On the beat is very important.
And this was tells great jokes. Great jokes, not just tell jokes. Because if you keep on and tell a joke, them and them corny,
and then flop, it's not going to work out.
It's not going anywhere.
And then you vex when we don't laugh.
No.
All right, so here's a meal.
One I going to give you a heart attack, and one I going to give you...
This is going to choke you, for sure. This is asphyxiation in a plate.
So, Colson, by the way, says he's not a fan of KFC, so... You get
what a shame, Colson. That means it can't work out. Look at that. All right, moving along.
Yeah.
It's disqualifying, Colson.
So this man going to give you a heart attack, and the one day I'm going to make you choke.
Candid. What is your poison?
The moral of my producer's story is none of the personalities of these men work when you mix them together.
Why didn't you get like, you know, like personality and generous is there, but not just generous as money,
ambitious,
but religious, maybe
hardworking,
values oriented,
intelligent. Because if you're generous with your money, but you're not in a sense, we're broke in no time.
Also, what are you going to talk about if he's not smart?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So if you go KFC, what are you talk about if you're not? So unique. What forgot really about some?
Sorry, Mr. Harold? We're going to talk about the fries. Poison, if you don't intelligent, what are you going to say about the fries? If you don't know the potato make fries, what else you have to talk about?
Must say this nicey.
Seriously?
This nicey.
Why is what?
Sheffield, so why is it French fries and it's made in Jamaica?
You know, Sheffield, let me see which one Chef is lacking over here.
Tell great jokes.
Yeah, well, this is certainly not Chef. Let me put this back. What do you say? Well, intelligence not on there, because then you could just Google the fact that French fries origin. All right, it's a long story. We're going to talk, after the break, we'll talk about it. We'll be right back. We have some schooling to do here. French fries.
Harold, come for the make good wigs.
Fries,
in them time, it's good to do
that. French fries. Maybe where it originated, because it's made everywhere, and it's still called French fries. You understand? So it doesn't have to be made in Jamaica, because then it doesn't have to be Jamaica fries for it to be. You get me? No. Oh, Jesus. All right, I'm gonna work on it. We'll soon come back.
But Sheffield not carry out the woman gonna wear. So I know why I'm asking.
I'll take you.
Is that? We'll soon come. Will you guys take the break before
we have to take the break? We'll be right back. Sheffield, you're not taking anybody anywhere.